Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechMails. So today we are going to unbox this rewritable LCD writing pad. So let's dive right in. As you can see, the packaging is quite simple and compact. Now let's open it up. And here our rewritable LCD writing pad. Guys, this pad comes in a sleek design and the 8.5-inch screen size makes it perfect for on-the-go creativity. And here is a stylus pen also given. The stylus pen is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy for anyone to use. So guys, writing and drawing on this pad is incredibly smooth and responsive. And look at this, erasing is as simple as pressing the erase button. So this is a erase button, and on the bottom there are an eraser button to clear the entire screen with just one click. As you can see, using this eraser button you can clear the entire screen. So guys, there is a lock and unlock button on the side to prevent accidental erasing. As you can see, using this lock unlock button you can prevent the accidental erasing. So guys, this pad have 8.5-inch LCD screen which is pressure sensitive and rewritable. It means we can write or draw on it using the included stylus pen or by any non-sharp object. And guys, writing and drawing on this pad is incredibly smooth and responsive, and the erasing is as simple as pressing the erase button. So guys, as you can see, here is a battery slot as given. So guys, that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.